At a glance, intertidal habitats seem barren and lifeless. But despite being a harsh environment, they are in fact rich in biodiversity. When the tide recedes, organisms may seek refuge in tide pools or hide under substrate until the next tide comes in. To avoid detection, different creatures have adopted different strategies for camouflage. Crabs, for instance, are mostly cryptic organisms, some of which have unique adaptations. For example, the decorator crabs blend into its surroundings by attaching corals onto its carapace. While crabs from the family Dorippidae are known to carry various items, ranging from shells to leaves. For additional protection, they even carry invertebrates such as sea urchins on their back. Today, we are looking for Neodorippe callida, also known as the leaf porter crabs. As the name suggests, these crabs are known to carry leaves on their back to blend in with the environment. The leaves hide crabs from aerial and other visual predators. Spotting for unusual movements of leaves will likely lead us to our subjects. See that leaf moving against the current? But also note that no movements can also be an unusual phenomenon when all other leaves are being washed by the tide. There's a stationary leaf there. Let's see if there is a leaf porter crab underneath. There it is. But how do the crabs hold on to their items? Let's look again. They have two pairs of modified legs equipped with hairy pads, which are specialized in gripping of leaves. Remaining appendages are used mainly for locomotion and feeding. These crabs are able to right themselves when the leaves are overturned. They may attempt to do so without releasing the leaf. To achieve this, they pedal their swimming legs to generate the momentum to flip over. So what happens if this fails? They will find their way to where they perceive as the underside. At low tides, the crabs are usually observed burrowing into soft substrates while clinging onto the underside of the leaf. The gripping behavior in these crabs appear to be instinctive. They typically carry the first item encountered. However, when presented with other choices, they appear to evaluate the suitability of these items. These crabs seem to prefer leaves that offer more cover in terms of leaf size and shape. In these cases, the crab switches from a small leaf to a bigger one. Notice the two pairs of specialized appendages. And in this case, the crab switches from a sickle-shaped leaf to an elliptical one. They also appear to be opportunistic, being able to exploit artificial items when faced with seemingly less suitable items. In this case, the crab evaluates the suitability of a small leaf and rejected it, choosing to hold onto the plastic sheet instead. Perhaps, the area of cover is more crucial to the crabs than the type of cover. Because of the need for suitable cover, Antagonistic intraspecific interactions may occur. Here, the crab with a smaller leaf inspects a bigger leaf and realizes that it is taken. Disturbance is detected. The occupant tries to vigorously shake off his competitor. Such behavior suggests that they are willing to expend energy to protect or fight for more suitable leaves. It's now a tug of war. The smaller crab gets kicked out. So what happens to the loser? Left naked and exposed, it quickly buries under the substrate for cover.
But well, life goes on.